Hello, good day. Today we'll be dealing with biology past question 2019. I will be solving question 2. An example of an organ level of organization is A. Bird, B. Kidney, C. Spermatozoon, and D. Xylem. Now, what are the levels of organization? That's the first question you ask yourself when you attempt a question like this. Now, the levels of organizations are, let's start. We are starting from the most basic and the simplest level of organization, which is the cell. After the cell, we have tissue. Group of cells make up the tissue. After the tissue, we have the organ. Group of organs make up group of tissues, make up an organ. Then we have the system. Now the system also comprises of so many organs. Now, when we consider the given options, a bird has organs like the eyes and the leg, making it a system. The bird is an animal system. The kidney has cells has tissues like the blood and other tissues, making it an organ. The spermatozoon is a cell, a sex cell for males. So it is not made up of any level of organization because it is the basic level of organization, which is the cell, like I said earlier. The xylem is a tissue, is a plant tissue, as it is made up of so many plant cells. Now, from this simple explanation, you agree with me that our answer here is option B, kidney. Kidney is the only organ amongst the options. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our